Good day everyone! Today, I am going to discuss the importance of media and information literacy. As centuries pass by, there are numerous ways of accessing information not only through reading books. That is why we have to study how important it is to be a media literate individual. In this video, I am going to discuss the difference between and among media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy. But before that, let us define first what is literacy. If we are going to look at the dictionary, it is simply defined as the ability to read and write. But if we are going to attach it with the three words I have mentioned a while back, it will form a different meaning. So let us find out what is the meaning of media and information literacy. With the advancement of technology, in the 21st century, one of the most important skills that a student or a person must have is the media and information literacy skill. Now, we are going to discuss what is media literacy. Media literacy simply refers to the ability of a person to analyze, criticize, evaluate, and create media. In other words, every person is actually a creator of media as long as you are sharing information and you create information. Since media refers to the different modes of communication such as television, radio, magazines, and social media, it is very important that we know when to get the information and how are we going to get information, and of course, if the information that we see is actually real. If you are a media literate individual, it means that you know how to analyze and evaluate all the information you see over the different forms of media, meaning you are not going to believe everything that you see over media or any forms of social media. Say for example, if you have seen a certain information, you are not just going to get it. You are going to have a deep research regarding the source of information, whether it is true or not. The next concept is information literacy. This refers to the ability of a person to know where to get the information and when to get the information. With all the resources that we have today, if you are an information literate individual, it means that you know when to get the information, how to access the information, and when do you need the information. Next is we have information literacy. This refers to the ability of a person to use the different hardware and software, which is a necessary skill in adapting to the new environment. So if we are going to take a look at the three concepts, we have the media literacy, we have information literacy, and we have technology literacy. It means that those three skills should be combined together for you to become a media literate individual. Now, we are going to discuss what is the importance of a media literacy information in terms of the usage of technology nowadays, particularly in accessing information. Now, I am going to give you a certain example which I personally experienced during the time na meron pang face-to-face classes. So, it was August, I think, and then umuulan siya noon. So, ngayon, dahil nga umuulan, ang mga estudyante ay talagang nag-aabang kung merong pasok the next day o wala. One of my students shared this walang pasok announcement without even verifying its source and its date. So, most of the students actually believed the post. So, nag-comment sila until the information reached me. Most of my students believe na wala talagang pasok. And then, I checked the shared post of this particular student. Then, I found out that it was dated last year. So, meaning, if you are a certain person who easily believe everything you see over social media, madali kang maluloko. Sa panahon ngayon na madami nang naloloko, dadagdag ka pa ba? Okay, that is why you need to become a media literate individual. That is just one example of how gullible we are in terms of seeing information over social media. So media and information literacy is the ability to exercise critical thinking when analyzing different forms of media. We need to be very skeptical. In that way, we will know if the information we see is truthful, factual, and based on current events. That's it for today. I hope that you have learned in this video. For more MIL talks, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!